Welcome to the vibrant world of Spain, a land of passion and beauty waiting to be explored. From the bustling streets of Barcelona to the majestic architecture of Madrid, Spain is a treasure trove of unforgettable experiences. Barcelona, the heart of Catalonia, beckons with its stunning gaudy architecture, lively markets, and beautiful beaches. Dive into the artistic soul of the city at Park Güell or marvel at the iconic Sagrada Familia. In Madrid, the capital city, immerse yourself in the rich history and culture of Spain. Visit the Prado Museum to witness masterpieces by Goya and Velázquez, or stroll through the Grand Plaza Mayor for a taste of traditional Spanish life. Seville, with its enchanting blend of Moorish and Spanish influences, will captivate you with its stunning Alcazar Palace and the vibrant flamenco performances that echo through the streets. Valencia, known for its futuristic city of arts and sciences, offers a modern twist on Spanish culture. Indulge in the city's famous paella or wander through the charming streets of the Old Town. Granada, home to the magnificent Alhambra Palace, is a testament to Spain's Moorish past. Lose yourself in the intricate details of the palace and soak in the breathtaking views of the Sierra Nevada mountains. For a taste of paradise, head to Ibiza, where the party never stops. Dance the night away at world-renowned clubs or unwind on the island's pristine beaches under the Mediterranean sun. And let's not forget the Canary Islands, a tropical paradise off the coast of Africa. Explore the volcanic landscapes of Tenerife, relax on the golden sands of Fuerteventura, or hike through the lush forests of La Palma. So pack your bags and get ready to experience the magic of Spain. From the lively streets of Barcelona to the tranquil beaches of the Canary Islands, this country will capture your heart and leave you craving for more. Spain, a land of passion and beauty, awaits your discovery.